and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. If you're a science enthusiast or even are remotely interested in space, you might have heard about the mysterious Planet 9 or Planet X. So what exactly is Planet 9? What are its features and why is it called so? Well, this hypothetical Neptune-sized planet orbits our Sun in a highly elongated orbit far beyond Pluto. Now this object, which the researchers have nicknamed Planet 9, could have a mass about 10 times that of Earth and orbit 20 times farther from the Sun on average than Neptune. Now it may also take between 10,000 to 20,000 Earth years to make one full orbit around the Sun. This is what is called Planet 9 and this is hypothetical. Now while astronomers are still searching for this hypothetical Planet 9 in the distant reaches of our solar system, an exoplanet 336 light years away from Earth is now looking more and more like the Planet 9 of its star system. Well, a weird extrasolar planet was discovered far from star HT 106906 in 2013 with the Magellan telescopes at the Las Campanas Observatory. Now NASA and European Space Agency's Hubble telescope too helped astronomers identify this strange planet outside our solar system that behaves like a long-sought Planet 9. However, astronauts did not really know anything about that particular planet's orbit and they literally did not have any information about that particular topic. Well, the exoplanet called HD 106906b occupies an unlikely orbit around a double star which is 336 light years away, like I told you, and this study has been published in the Astronomical Journal. Now this required the help of Hubble telescope to collect very accurate measurements of this particular planet's motion over 14 years with extraordinary precision. Now the exoplanet resides extremely far from its host pair of bright young stars, more than 730 times the distance of Earth from the Sun. And also this wide separation made it enormously challenging to determine the 15,000-year-old long orbit in such a short time span as far as the Hubble telescope's observations are concerned. And if this study is proven, it could very well be one of the most exciting astronomical discoveries of this year. And also 2020 has been a year full of surprises. There have been a lot of astronomical discoveries and also various other things that have come into the picture. But having said that, this particular Planet 9, if proven right, could answer a lot of questions about our planet, could answer a question about our solar system and also how the universe came into being and how we also need to ensure that this planet is something that needs to be studied deeply so that we can also try and find this mysterious Planet 9 in our own solar system. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.